All right, listen people, today we're gonna do something fun. Now, one thing I'm gonna start doing is things that I see on social media that's like super out the box. I wanna recreate it. Now, I need somebody, if you're on Instagram and you've seen this before, I need y'all to find out who she is and tag her for me. But, so basically, she made a potato salad and she fried some catfish and incorporated it in the potato salad. And when I seen the shit, I'm like, I don't know about that one, but I like catfish. You know, to a certain extent, I like my potato salad. I don't really like nobody else's potato salad. I was like, I'm gonna try this. I told Sunny about it. She was like, but we're gonna try it today. And I think it's gonna be fire. We don't know, we'll see. Because we're using Bleu Magic all-purpose fry batter. So, I got some fresh catfish and we're about to fry this up and we're about to make this potato salad. And when I finish the potato salad, yeah, you're supposed to put it in the refrigerator for an hour, maybe overnight, so all the ingredients incorporate, but we ain't got time for that shit today. I need everybody to let me know if you know who this lady is. Leave it in the comments and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. Now, while our catfish is frying, which is gonna be about 13 to 15 minutes, because you know, we like our catfish fried hard. So I'm gonna make my potato salad, real simple. I actually have this recipe in my ebook, volume 1. I'll drop the link in the description. So I like to use a lot of eggs. Mine is like an egg potato salad. So you put those in there. Just use a fork, smash them up. Now we're gonna add our potatoes. Just mash them up a little bit. Just a little. Now I don't know if y'all use Miracle Whip, but I'm using regular mayo, a little bit of this Dijon mustard. Some sweet relish. Some pimentos. And we're gonna add our seasoning, which is a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, and a teaspoon of tarragon. And to finish it off, just a little yellow mustard. And yes, I add cilantro too. Let's just mix that up. There you go. Nice and creamy. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator until our catfish is done. Y'all better get y'all some Bleu Magic, by the way. Now when you do this dish, which I doubt anybody's really gonna fuck with this is like some experiment shit, but fry your catfish extra hard, extra crispy, and your potato salad has to be creamy, because once you cut this up and throw this in there, it's soaking up whatever's in there. And plus making it extra crispy, it won't get too soft. It'll still have a crunch to it. So we got our catfish ready. I'm telling y'all, please tag the woman that did this, because I need to know where she came up with this shit. So we're gonna cut this up. We're gonna throw it in the potato salad. I got my boy G Perico and 211 in here. I'm gonna see if they gonna fuck with it. Hopefully it's fire, I don't know. I wonder what that lady was thinking about when she did this shit. And when I seen it, I was like, I gotta see what it is, what it's hitting like. Matter of fact, I'm about to add this other piece in here. All right, we're gonna plate this up. All right, my nigga G Perico about to take the first bite. He about to take the first bite.
I'm ready to go. This shit flames.
For real?
Yeah, this flames. This flames.
Yeah.
This flames. Yeah.
Oh shit, okay.
I ain't never tasted nothing like that before.
Okay.
Niggas hungry, man.
Like I said, help me out. Y'all see this? Tag old girl. Let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.
Enjoy.